In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a preview on Sellfy. Whether you're a creator selling digital products, music, or videos, providing a preview can be a fantastic way to give potential customers a taste of what you offer, which, in turn, can increase your sales. Let's dive in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to upload your media file, such as a video or audio, to a third-party platform. You can choose from popular options like YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud, depending on your preference and the type of content you have. Each of these platforms offers an intuitive interface and can handle uploads smoothly, ensuring that your media is easily accessible. When your file is uploaded, verify that everything looks and plays as expected, as this will be the first impression your customers get. Once you've successfully uploaded your file, the next step is to copy the media link. This is the URL that you find in the address bar of your browser when viewing your uploaded content. Be sure to double-check this link to ensure it's the correct one, as you want your potential buyers directed to the right preview without any hitches. Moving on, you should log into your Sellfy account. Upon accessing your dashboard, navigate to the Products section. From there, go to All Products, which will provide you with a list of everything you currently have for sale. Find and select the specific product to which you'd like to add your media preview. This process is straightforward, but take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct item, especially if you have multiple products listed. After selecting the product, scroll down until you locate the Product Preview section. This is where you'll be integrating the preview into your product listing. Now, take the media link you copied earlier and paste it into the provided field. This step connects your uploaded media to your product page, serving as a preview for future customers. You'll usually find an Add button or a similar option depending on your interface, which you'll need to click to confirm you've successfully linked the media. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save Product button and click it to ensure everything is updated. This step secures your progress and publishes the changes you've made, making the preview live on your Sellfy product page. Once saved, it's a good idea to preview your product as a customer would see it, just to make sure that everything is seamless and functioning as intended. By following these steps, you can effectively showcase a preview of your work on Sellfy, giving your potential customers a sneak peek that may just convince them to hit that buy button. This simple yet powerful addition to your product page can enhance your sales strategy and help your content stand out in a competitive marketplace.